me and my sister, and my mom, this is very fresh. Like we made it like a few seconds ago. So I'm gonna show you how to make an easy bubble. So I'm not the kind of person who can go stretch it and then do that. Too hard for me. So what we're gonna do, so you're gonna have to take a straw, any straw. Then you're gonna stick it in the slime, okay? So there's no holes, and then you're gonna layer it on top. And then you're gonna stick it in far in, then you're gonna hold right here. And you're gonna take the straw and you're gonna blow. And you can make like really big bubbles. And you can take it off the straw. Yeah. So you're gonna take it, put it back in, hold it, and there. Then see, there's gonna be a hole there. So if it doesn't work, you're just gonna have. So that's why you hold it. Poof. There's a big one. That's how you make the easiest slime bubble ever made. Bye.